Sorting materials into groups. When you look around, you observe different objects. Some are small, big, soft, and hard, and many more. So we classify the objects in various groups based on some special features. This is called sorting, and the special features are known as properties of material. Let us understand properties of material. Appearance. Appearance means the external feature of the object. It means what kind of color of the object is, what is the shape of the object. So this is known as appearance. In appearance, luster and smoothness are two characteristics that allow you to distinguish between the appearance of different materials. If you see a piece of wood and some gold coins, then what you observe? The piece of wood appears dull, whereas the gold coins become very shiny. So this shining property of material is known as luster. To understand smoothness of the material, touch the petals of flower and touch on the surface of a stone. You feel the smoothness of petals of flower, whereas the stone is feel very rough. The next properties of materials are hardness and softness. When you press some object, it will change its shape. This is known as soft object. On the other hand, there are some materials that are hard to press. It is known as hard materials. Now let us understand transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Transparent objects are the objects through which light can pass easily. So you can see through it. Example of transparent objects are glass, water, etc. Translucent objects are the objects through which light can pass partially. So you can see through it partially. Example, frosted glass, wax paper, etc. Opaque objects are the objects through which light cannot pass. So you cannot see through it. Example, wood, metal, plastics, etc. Next topic is solubility. The material that completely dissolve in water are called soluble material. Example, salt and sugar. Both are completely dissolved in water. On the other hand, the materials that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble material, like sand and chalk. Liquids that completely dissolved in each other are known as miscible liquids. Example, vinegar and water. Both are completely dissolved in each other. And liquids that do not dissolve in each other are known as immiscible liquids, like oil and water. Oil and water never be dissolved in each other. Conductor. The materials which allow heat to pass through them are called conductor. All metals are good conductors like copper, aluminium, iron, etc. And the materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called insulators or bad conductor. Example, rubber, cloth, plastics, etc. There are certain materials that are attracted by a magnet. These materials are known as magnetic materials. And the property of magnet to attract magnetic materials is called magnetism.